Yep. All right. So check it out. Boom. Tires flat in the Sentra. So it's flat. Go ahead and put it in the trunk of the Ultima. Take it over there to the top shop in the morning. Drop it off. Get ready for my son game in the morning. After his game, go back, pick the tire up, reinstall it on the car. This is the tire. This is where the original plug I put in there. I don't think it ain't last at all. Eventually gonna have to change the tires out soon, but we still got some tread left. Tread left. That's the only spot there. So no other nails or anything in the tire. So I think we're good. I'm gonna slap this in the trunk of the Ultima. That's where it was. Go ahead and slap this in the trunk. Move these over for the game tomorrow. Slide it right there. Put it in the center that way. My way to be centered in there. You know, I get ready to do them donuts and stuff. But see y'all in the morning. All right. What is it? Monday morning? Yeah, Monday morning here. And getting the tire at the trunk now. Gonna slap it on the car. Put y'all on time lapse. Let's get it. Got it all fixed up now, and we are Gucci. So, Sentra is good, Ultima is good. So yeah, see y'all on the next one. Peace out. Chicken straight up came to the gas station.